By decision, scored 6-0. Joseph Galetta Clifton wins by decision over Tony Farrell of the Paul Catholic. By decision, scored 7-3.
Mom, I had 0 life.
Colton Stanwell, St. John Vianney wins by a fall over Lavina Morgan of Belleville. Time of fall 5 minutes and 12 seconds. And Caleb Jackson of West Deptford wins by tech fall over Griffin Goldmacher of Northern Berlin, Columbus. Technical fall scored 17-0.